Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Now, I could have taken a look at Peloton, PTON, and many of the other ones that just gapped down right from the beginning. Of course, the market was just tanking again. I thought I would try something a little bit different though, because, it really is important to follow what the market's doing. So here is, in fact, why don't I do this? Why don't I just bring up a SPY chart on its own. Okay. So it's really important to find, to track the market, what it's doing. So, sorry, let me just shrink it down so we can see it a little bit better. Give me a moment here. Okay, so there we are. So here's Corsair. Now Corsair is an earnings play, okay, and like many stocks, got beaten up by earnings and the market moving down. I mean, there was yesterday's action. Of course, the market just was destroyed yesterday. Corsair. Let me make sure of this. CRSR. Type it in the symbols. Oh, just give me a moment. Yeah. So had earnings after hours, okay, May 5th, post-market. So there's the reaction after hours. Not the worst reaction. I mean, the huge move down and then the move up. There's where it closed yesterday. So it wasn't that much down compared to the close. But of course, the market opens. I'm sorry, this is the post-market, okay? So now the market opens today. There's the pre-market. And of course, like many stocks, the big gap down. However, take a look at the SPY. There's the gap down right there. There's the pre-market. The market opens and it just starts to sell, and everybody's probably going, uh-oh, again. But look at what happened with Corsair. Look at the bounce. Look how it tracks what the SPY is doing. So this is what we're trying to show people in the room, is that we had a lot of great bounce plays for about an hour and a half, okay? Other than that little bottoming tail there on that 15-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that was an hour and a half of a decent move for some bounce plays, okay? So just give me a moment here. So that's all I'm really trying to show you here. What made the trade great is that, okay, it's bouncing, follow the market, track the market, and then when you start to see this, that red bar, that was really your sign, okay, I guess it's over, and for a while anyway, and look what's happened. Okay, Corsair is dropping. I mean, these candlesticks almost look exactly the same as the SPY. So you got to try to take advantage. And when you see a market bounce like this, and did we know it was going to go up for an hour and a half? Of course not. But you just got to track it. And I mean, that was just a great move. And a lot of people in the room, took advantage of this bounce for Corsair, and many others like it. I mean, many others like it. But you've got to have a SPY chart up or some kind of a chart, maybe the Russell, something that you like to track what the overall market's doing when you're going to, place something like this on a bounce. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I don't know what's going to happen. This is only 12:03 right now. I don't know what's going to happen for the balance of the day. Looked interesting. It looked like maybe we're going to have a nice strong rally, but it may be over. But you never know. Here's a green candle right now, so you never know what's going to happen. Okay, guys, I'm going to back into the trading room. So have a great weekend, and I'll open the room at 8 o'clock Monday morning. Don't forget, the test drive is coming up next. May the 16th, there's a link for it to sign up, and we still have a promo on. So anyway, have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.